Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert HEIC or HEIF file to JPEG, PDF, PNG in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one file here, so let me show its properties. So you can see here clearly it's a .HEIC file. So in order to convert this HEIC, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Copy Trend Studio. And the first is you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now it's asking to restart your computer. So you need to restart your computer by clicking on this finish. So let us restart our computer. So finally we have restarted our computer. Now just right mouse click on the respective HEIC file. And now you'll see here one option, convert HEIC. So now you can see here three different options: convert to JPEG, convert to PDF, and convert to PNG. So you can select whichever option you want. So say I will select this first option. So now you can see it immediately converts. So let us check the properties of this converted file. So now you can see it's a .jpg file. So you can repeat the same process to convert the HEIC file to PDF as well as to PNG files. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert HEIC or HEIF file to JPEG, PDF, PNG in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.